If you are looking for a good TV with surprisingly advanced powered features, then the new Sony X90K LED TV is a very complete TV that offers good performance along with its intriguing technology. Here is a full review. The Sony X90K 4K LED TV is one of the company's high-end models that comes after the X90J model from last year. The Sony X90K 4K LED TV incorporates an all-round brand of specified features and specs for a great performance, and these include features such as the Cognitive Processor XR on the previous year's Sony X90J TV, which there will be more to discuss on later in the video. Design and display. The Sony X90K at first glance looks just like most has LED TVs. It doesn't have anything specific going, just a regular straightforward clean design with sharp edges. You have the freedom to choose the size that best meets your needs because it comes in a wide range of sizes.
So, have options.
The Sony X90K is available in the sizes 55, 65, and 75 inches. But however, only the 55 and 65 inches model have been made available for purchase by the company. The Sony X90K TV has 4 HDMI ports that are HECP version 2.3 compatible. 2 of the HDMI ports are compatible with version 2.1, and one of them supports AERC, variable frame rates, VDFR, auto low latency mode, ALLM, and 4K playback at 120 Hz for gaming. Other additional connection ports include the headphone jack, 2 USB ports, an Ethernet port, an optical audio output, an RF input, and several other interfaces. And it also has dual-band Wi-Fi and Bluetooth 4.2 for wireless connection. For more tech content and reviews, subscribe to our channel for all the news. The Sony X90K TV comes with 2 Sony remote controls. There are quick access links to well-known streaming apps like YouTube, Netflix, and Prime Video on the smart remote. Additionally, it has an integrated microphone which is compatible with Google Assistant voice commands. The 10-bit VA screen and full-array LED backlighting of the X90K both have local dimming, along with live color technology, XR smoothing, and XR Truluminos Pro are also available on the Sony X90K for better color enhancement. The Sony X90K also contains a dynamic contrast enhancer and an XR Contrast Booster 10 for enhancing contrast and for motion improvement. Additionally, it supports HDR10, HLG, and Dolby Vision, which produces a great display, and you have the ability to choose for your videos to play in either Dolby Vision Bright, Dolby Vision Dark, and Vivid modes. This TV provides a generally satisfying cinematic experience with the chance to reduce images brightness when you choose to play HDR material. And for gaming, there are more features you would want to stay with us for coming up shortly. Software. The Sony X90K TV utilizes Google TV, which is the improved version of Android TV. And while it still maintains certain features for the previous models, new features have been included in addition to enhance user experience. Aside from moving from Android TV to Google TV, the software system has been enhanced to be more smooth, fluid, and intuitive when the Android TV interface previously used. The Smart TV also has the easily access to Apple HomeKit and Apple AirPlay, in addition to Chromecast and Google Assistant, where you can easily utilize the voice control system for other Android devices, or use your phone's Google Android app to operate the TV and stream content from them as well. So for instance, you can search for a new series to watch with the voice command. Check for news and weather updates, all using either the Google app on your phone or the Sony remote.
Life keeps getting better and better!
The Sony X90K TV employs Sony's Cognitive Processor XR as its processor. The Cognitive Processor XR, according to the Sony, thinks like a human and creates images and audio that are pleasing to people.
It's an advanced technology.
Stating that it understands how the human eye focuses, cross-analyzing images to give real-life depth, extraordinary contrast, and beautifully vivid colors. Gaming. The Sony X90K is a fantastic TV with amazing gaming capabilities and excellent overall picture quality. For gaming, the X90K supports 1080p variable refresh rate, VRR, and HDMI 2.1 bandwidth to lessen screen tearing and any lags. Along with the variable refresh rates, the X90K has the support for auto low latency mode and 4K gaming at 20 Hz. There is also auto HER tone mapping and auto genre picture switching available for gaming, where the auto switch mode allows and makes sure that you always use the right mode when playing games or watching movies. Sony X90K and X95J. Comparing the Sony X95J to the Sony X90K. Both are great high-end TVs, but here the Sony X95G is more superior in picture quality, as it the advanced version of the X90K. The X95G offers a broader viewing angle and greater local dimming, while the X90K, on the other hand, is a terrific option for darkroom viewing. But however, if you want to spend a little less money, then you can get the 55-inch for $899.99, the 65-inch for $999.99, the 75-inch for $1,499.99, and the 85-inch for $1,999.99, making it the better options as against the X95G's $1,999.99 and $4,499.99 price tag. The Sony X90K performs almost flawlessly and comes with great features, all operating with clarity, smooth and good systems. The Cognitive XR processor takes it up a notch, with achieving a high level of detail and enhancing user experience as well. While this Sony 4K LED TV may be great, how about you get a hold of an OLED TV with its video on the Hisense U7H?